Well, I got a request. I think I need to stand like this. Way I get better lighting on my ugly face. Well, that'd probably be better this way then. Alright, now you can't see me as well. Anyway, got sort of a request. I said, hey, when are you coming to help? Are you coming to help? But he's not coming to help because, well, he doesn't live very close. So, I'm going to have to go about this on my own. I know, you can, I can tell you're heartbroken. Maybe one of you. Probably not. Anyway, we're going to give this thing a go. I'm going to get the engine stand out of the corner. I'm going to get it lifted up. I'm going to put it on the engine stand. Get a look at the internals on top, the cam, make sure nothing's rusted inside. Pop the oil, flip it over. I don't think there's any oil in it. Flip it over and take the pan off. Make sure everything's not rusted inside and see how the pistons and that work. See how they work. See how the pistons look. At least the top of them. We can get a look at the walls, cylinder walls. We could roll the motor over, see if everything looks, and if everything looks good from there. I've already found the gasket set on Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I'll order in a new high performance gasket set. I don't know why I need high performance. Probably I could go with like a $90 set of gaskets. I think that's what I'm going to do. I would hope the performance one wouldn't leak oil. Crossing fingers. So the other one's got a 4-barrel intake manifold as well. Crossing fingers. Be nice if it had a 4-bolt main. Be a real expensive little motor I picked up for $500. My luck is just a 2. If my luck was really good, it's a Boss with the heavier webbings. We'll see. All right, let me get this all set up and I'll bring you back. All right, I looked at it. I am just going to I'm just going to pull the rocker covers off here. I'll get a better light because I got my LEDs. So we're going to pull the rocker cover off. We'll take a peek at what everything looks like inside and check this out. Oh my god, I went to the gym. I killed my legs. Look at that. Forest fire smoke light. This is the effect of the sun, the smoke on this. It's really confusing. This is the effect that the smoke in the atmosphere in BC is having on the sun. So I got this beautiful red hue. And I mean, I am, light up with the LED. Oh, hey, I got a new impact ratchet too. This is the new one. 2569. Nope, 2569. It's got the small end. They made a high-speed ratchet with the same size end as the original Milwaukee ratchet. Only that one's a fuel. A fuel. High speed. Listen to this thing. Like, holy Jesus Murphy. Who needs a ratchet that fast? Me, apparently. So look at this. Nice and dirty. Oh, rub it in. Oh, yeah. Oh, you dirty boy. I don't know. Oh. Eek. Eek. Come on. Get off of there, you bastard. No. You can't talk it off. You gotta. Alright, you gotta get some prying tools and pry it off, I guess. Big Mac Daddy screwdriver. Just kind of like it. There we go. A little bit of an eek. And she pops off. And she pops off. There we go. What? There's no... Oh, I'm hoping he's got all the rockers in there. If not, I am going to be not too impressed with the man. The cam looks clean too. So you can see the cam down in there. Looks clean. High tech here. I got my cell phone with the flashlight. The bores for those look clean. Except for that one. That is not a good sign. That's not bad. And it's the only one. So, oh yeah, that's not good down in there. Okay. Well, that's bad. Try not to put my back out again. Oh, it does have pistons. Thank God. I like being wrong. Thank you. I don't mind being wrong like this. What I don't like is seeing is the water in there. It's had some water in there. Nothing bad, but good. Thank God for crying. I love it when I'm wrong like this. I don't mind being wrong about this. I mean, I would have been hot if I would have pulled this apart and found no pistons in it. But to see the pistons that are in it, cool. It's good. I'm glad I'm wrong. I would have been really upset if it would have been, but I'm much happier that it's there. And it was probably all because the head bolts are like, they're all loose. So we'll just take a peek here. So that looks pretty good. It may not be perfect, but I mean, it doesn't look bad. The head looks pretty good. Needs a good cleaning, but that's minor. There's head gasket material here and there, so that's good. It's not terrible. The dowels are, one's there. It's missing the other dowel, which should be here. Maybe the head has it? No, the head does not have a dowel on it. Should have a dowel right here. Should. Doesn't. Not the end of the world. But yeah, that's great, because I was really worried that this had been cleaned out. Not happy that there's rust in it, but I mean, much happier to see that the bits and bobs of the motor are in the motor and not, you know, somewhere else. Pistons all seem to be tight in the bores. Don't seem to move around much, which is nice. Let's see if we can't get some of this head gasket off. Yeah, this head gasket is done for. He's in there hard. How's it? Well, we're going to come back into here again. You got a big piece of styrofoam over there. I could probably lift the crank out, set it down on there. And then I'm going to try and pull the camshaft out. I'm pretty sure there's a retainer in there that I have to undo. At least I see two Allen head cap screws or something at the end of the block. I might take a little Google trip here too, because I want to see what the bearings look like for the camshaft. Hoping that they're good. Because I really don't want to have to do camshaft bearings. No, I don't. I don't have the tools. So we'll try and get them done and make sure that they're going to be good. Because I'm knocking them loose all. I don't want to ruin the bearing caps. The old spanky cranky. There's a retainer plate here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a little bit of room. It's not like I need a lot of room to work in here, because, you know, probably not necessary for what I'm butchering. Super duper. Yeah. I'm just gonna. Now, can I stop there and maybe get a look and see? Let's just pull it out. We're almost there. what I'm seeing there's our cam. We've got no ground up lobes. A couple weird looking lobes. But everything looks fairly nice on the cam. Yeah. So, got a little couple spots like that off to the side, but I don't see any that are ground down. I don't see any scarring on the journals. Everything looks pretty good. So let's throw this over here. Literally throw it as hard as we can. Right in there. You watch. Tell me if that comes out shiny, silvery, or gold. If it comes out gold, I got more work to do. Oh, it's looking good. Yes, sir. That's looking mighty nice. Yes, sirree, Bob. That is looking fantastical. I'm liking that. Nope, I like it. They all look nice. They all look exceptionally nice. So I'm going to use my high-tech super duper looking device here. Turn on the flash of my lighter. I'm going to record you recording it. Down the journal holes. And I don't see any brass or bronze anywhere. Cool. That's awesome. That means I can put the cam back in and I don't have to think about doing cam bearings. Thankfully, I really did not want to do cam bearings. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. And that's how I am cleaning it for today. There we go. And she's home. Nice. So it lucked out. Got good cam bearings, thankfully. Thankfully. Nothing else fell out of the thing. Thankfully, thankfully. Okay, doing a little bit of grindy, crunchy.